बच्चों आज हम रिवाइज करेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 6 सोल्यूशन। सबसे पहले अ सोल्यूशन इज़ अ होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर ऑफ टू और मोर सब्सटेंसेस। Aqueous solution. The solution which is formed by dissolving a substance in water is called an aqueous solution. In aqueous solution, water is always present in a greater amount and termed as a solvent. Solute. The component of a solution which is present in smaller quantity is called solute. Solvent. The component of a solution which is present in larger quantity is called solvent. Saturated solution, a solution containing maximum amount of a solute at a given temperature is called saturated solution. Unsaturated solution, a solution which contains lesser amount of solute than that which is required to saturate it at a given temperature is called unsaturated solution. Now, supersaturated solution, the solution that is more concentrated than a saturated solution is known as supersaturated solution. Dilute solution are those which contain relatively small amount of dissolved solute in the solution. Concentrated solution are those which contain relatively large amount of dissolved solute in the solution. There are 9 types of solution. Concentration is the proportion of a solute in a solution. Concentration is also a ratio of a amount of a solute to the amount of solution, or concentration is the ratio of amount of a solute to the amount of the solvent. There are 4 methods of percentage: mass by mass percentage, mass by volume percentage, by mass percentage, volume by volume percentage. Molarity. It is the concentration unit defined as number of moles of a solute dissolved in 1 decimeter cube of a solution. It is represented by m. 1 molar solution is prepared by dissolving 1 mole of the solute in sufficient amount of the water to make the total volume of the solution up to 1 decimeter cube. 2 molar solution is more concentrated than 1 molar solution. Concentrated solution can be converted into dilute solution by the use of equation m1 v1 is equal to m2 v2. Solubility is defined as the number of gram of the solute dissolved in 100 gram of a solvent to prepare a saturated solution at a particular temperature. The basic rule of solubility is like dissolve like. The factors affecting solubility, these are like dissolve like, solute solvent interaction, and temperature. Solution are the homogeneous mixture of 2 or more than 2 components. Colloid. These are the solution in which the solute particles are larger than those present in the true solution. The particles in the colloidal system dissolve and do not settle down for a long time. Particles of the colloids are big enough to scatter the beam of light. The scattering of beam of light is called Tyndall effect. Suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture of undissolved particles in a given medium. Particles are big enough to be seen with naked eyes.